Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got a surprise today from Amazon Prime. I was like, I didn't order anything, but it says happy birthday from Miss America. That's my friend Dawn. I'm gonna put this. I have no idea what she sent me. I'm so stoked. This made my day. Well, today, even the day before my birthday, but you know what? This is good today. The kids are out painting rocks and all that. And then we're going to go out to the cemetery later with them. Wow. That's well in here. Okay. So, alright, we got some screws on this side, so I better not lose them. Going in my kitchen. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool, Dawn. Guys, look at that. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to pick a spot in my kitchen and hang that. I'm going to have to move some things around. See, her other one, Dawn made me this years ago. A long time ago. 2017. And hangs in my craft room. Used to hang in my kitchen, but when I moved here, I hung it in my craft room because I had to clean it. I hung in my kitchen and I moved it to my craft room over at the duplex because I looked at it one day and you could feel like the cooking oil on it. So I cleaned it and it's been in my craft room since. But this is so cute. I love it. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do this, Dawn, but I love it. Thank you. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I gotta take a picture of it and put it in my memory book. Matter of fact, I'm going to put these in there so I don't lose them. So when I do the page, I did the page the other day, cards from everybody, and my gifts so far from my family are right here, and these are cards that I received, and I'll do Dawn somewhere. Hang on, I'm doing a video.
Okay, say hi.
You can say hi, Riley.
Hi.
Look what Dawn gave me for my birthday. Isn't it cool?
Yeah. You have a stencil.
It's not a stencil. It's a wall hanger. It's metal.
Oh.
But hey, that wouldn't have been a bad idea, Riley, sorry. So what do you want to say the saying before we go?
Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye.